Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Microsoft has released emergency out-of-band updates for Windows 11 to fix critical shutdown and remote desktop sign-in problems. What went wrong? After the January 2026 security update, many users faced serious issues. Remote desktop sign-in failures. PCs restarting instead of shutting down. Hibernation not working on some systems. Who was affected? These problems affected Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2. Windows 11 23H2, especially devices using secure launch. Users who installed the update KB5077744 Microsoft's emergency fix. Microsoft released two out-of-band updates. KB5077744 Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2. KB5077797 Windows 11 23H2. These updates fix remote desktop authentication errors, shutdown and hibernation restart issues. How to install updates to fix the issues. To install the update, open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Download and install the latest patch. Restart your PC after installation. Now, my final advice. If your PC is affected, install this update immediately to avoid connection and shutdown problems. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more Windows updates and fixes.